Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is, what it's used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this product. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
The Solutions Pro Glue Board is a non-toxic glue trap used to capture and control crawling pests, primarily mice, but they can also be used to control roaches, spiders, and other insects. This glue board is an effective and simple product that is safe to use in areas where poisons or other pest control products are prohibited. The Solutions Pro Glue Board comes pre-baited with a peanut butter scent attractant that lures unsuspecting rodents and is great for monitoring for pest activity after a pesticide treatment. Before using the glue boards, be sure to wear gloves. Wearing gloves anytime you handle the glue boards is important to avoid leaving any human scent that the mice will avoid. The Solutions Pro Glue Board is easy to set up. Simply peel off the wax paper to expose the glue, and it's ready to be placed. Mice prefer dark, enclosed spaces, so it can be beneficial to fold the glue board before placement, but it's not necessary. Folding the trap into a box also helps keep the glue free of any contaminants that may fall on the trap. You can place the glue boards anywhere in your home, but it's most effective when placed in areas with the most pest activity, away from heavily frequented areas. The glue boards also have added peanut butter scent, so mice will be more attracted to them. Rodents do not like to travel across open space, so place the traps along walls, beside appliances, and beside or under furniture. Be sure to place the trap flush against the wall so that rodents travel across it. These glue boards are safe to use around pets, as there are no poisons or chemicals added to the glue, but they are very sticky, so place your traps out of the reach of children or pets. We recommend placing your glue boards and checking them daily. Change the location of the boards after 2 to 3 days if you haven't caught anything in that area. The glue boards won't dry out, but they can collect dust and dirt and be less effective if laid out flat. If this happens, simply throw away the dirty board and place a new one. The glue boards are not lethal. Rodents and insects that get stuck on the glue boards do not immediately die, and you may come across a live pest. If you, a child, or a pet get stuck on the glue board, you can use vegetable oil to loosen the stickiness. While the Solutions Pro Glue Boards are effective for mice, they are less effective for larger rodents like rats, as they will be strong enough to pull themselves off the glue. The glue boards are also non-lethal and rely on placement to be effective, so it may take longer to see results. If you're looking for another method of eliminating rodents, check out the Easy Set Snap Traps. These snap traps are easy to handle and quick to use, and they're made with durable plastic and steel. To use, bait the trap's trigger plate and simply pull back on the upright bar until the trap locks into place. When set properly, any rodent that triggers the snap trap will be killed instantly. If you want a humane option for mice trapping, check out our multi-catch humane mouse trap. This trap is a low-profile metal box trap that provides clean trapping and relocation for those looking for a non-lethal method of mouse removal. The trap works by using weight-sensitive trap doors. Once the mouse steps far enough into the tunnel, the door springs up, trapping the mouse. For insect problems, check out Novicide. Novicide can be broadcast sprayed around your home, and it has an insect growth regulator, or IGR, in the formula. This means it not only kills adult pests, but it also stops the younger pests from maturing. To stop insects from invading your home, use Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a liquid insecticide concentrate that can be used as a barrier spray to protect against roaches, beetles, and other crawling insects. Use a pump sprayer to treat areas like around doors, around windows, and where plumbing penetrates the wall. Indoors, you can apply Reclaim IT to your baseboards and cracks and crevices. Shop for Solutions Pro Glue Boards on our site or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.